Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're rocking the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max and you're looking for a case that's clear, protective, and fully MagSafe compatible, then this one from ESR might be exactly what you're looking for. Today, I'm unboxing and reviewing the ESR iPhone 16 Pro Max case Halo Lock Camera Control Edition. Let's see what makes this case a top seller. Alright, let's start with the design and build. This is the A-Clear camera control model, so you get that sleek see-through back that really shows off the iPhone's original look. It's made from thermoplastic polyurethane, which means it's flexible, durable, and shock-absorbent. Check this out, air guard corners provide military-grade protection. Drop it? No worries, this case is built to handle it. Now, one of the standout features here is the camera control. This isn't just a regular case, it gives you precise, responsive access to the camera button. Click, press, or swipe, it's super seamless and perfect for photographers or content creators on the go. Let's talk MagSafe. The built-in Halo Lock magnets have 1,500 G of holding force. Yeah, that's strong. That means a super secure connection with chargers, wallets, or any MagSafe accessory. And wireless charging, just snap and go. Protection-wise, you've got raised edges around the screen and camera lens. That's a big deal for scratch protection. Plus, it plays nicely with most screen and lens protectors. The fit is perfect. All the buttons are super clicky, the cutouts are precise, and it just feels solid in the hand without adding bulk. With over 105,000 reviews and a 4.6 star rating, this ESR case is clearly a fan favorite. Between the camera control, MagSafe compatibility, and military-grade drop protection, this case delivers serious value. You can find the ESR Classic Hybrid case at the link in the description. If you've tried it, let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.